Ever wished you could seamlessly move funds between your bank and your Gemini crypto account? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of executing a wire transfer to your Gemini account. So, let's dive in. Now, before we begin, it's crucial to understand that wire transfers are a common method for funding your Gemini account, especially for larger transactions. However, it's essential to note that wire transfers can sometimes take a few business days to process. So, plan accordingly. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's what you'll need to initiate a wire transfer. Your Gemini account. Ensure you have an active and verified Gemini account. Your bank account information. You'll need your bank's routing number and your own account number. Your Gemini wire transfer information. This will be provided within your Gemini account. Visual, a split screen showing a bank account statement with routing and account numbers on one side, and the Gemini account dashboard with wire transfer instructions on the other. Now, let's break down the steps involved. 1. Log into your Gemini account. Navigate to the funding or deposit section within your Gemini account. Look for the wire transfer option. Click on it to proceed. 2. Obtain your Gemini wire transfer information. Gemini will provide you with unique wire transfer instructions. This typically includes Gemini's bank name and address, Gemini's account number, your unique Gemini reference ID, essential for proper crediting of your funds. Carefully note down this information. You'll need it when initiating the wire transfer with your bank. 3. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank via phone, online banking, or by visiting a branch. Inform them you wish to initiate a wire transfer. Provide them with the following: your Gemini's bank name and address, Gemini's account number, your unique Gemini reference ID, your bank account information, routing number and account number, the amount you wish to transfer. Visual, a person initiating a wire transfer at their bank, with the bank teller or online banking interface clearly visible. 4. Review and confirm. Carefully review all the wire transfer details with your bank to ensure accuracy. Confirm the amount and all other information before proceeding. Double-check the Gemini reference ID. This is crucial for ensuring your funds are credited correctly to your Gemini account. 5. Authorize and submit. Authorize the wire transfer with your bank. Submit the transfer request. You may receive a confirmation from your bank once the wire transfer has been initiated. 6. Monitor your Gemini account. Once you've initiated the wire transfer, keep an eye on your Gemini account. Gemini will typically notify you once your funds have been received and credited to your account. Now, a few important points to remember. Wire transfer fees. Be aware that your bank may charge a fee for initiating a wire transfer. Processing time. Wire transfers generally take 1 to 3 business days to process. Currency. Ensure you're transferring funds in the correct currency as specified by Gemini. Security. Always prioritize security when initiating any financial transactions. Let's address some common questions you might have. What if I entered the wrong Gemini reference ID? If you believe you've entered the incorrect reference ID, contact Gemini support immediately. They can assist you in locating and crediting your funds. What if my wire transfer is delayed? If your wire transfer is taking longer than expected, contact your bank to inquire about the status. You can also reach out to Gemini support for assistance. Now, let's explore some alternative funding methods for your Gemini account. ACH transfers, generally faster and often have lower fees compared to wire transfers. Cryptocurrency deposits. If you already own cryptocurrencies, you can easily deposit them directly into your Gemini account. Debit/credit card deposits. While generally faster, they may incur higher fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.